got her all tore down now. I don't know if you can see very good, but the reluctor on the exhaust cam is chewed up pretty good. It's probably slipped. Took a pretty good hit when the vacuum pump froze up. Here's some of the shrapnel I dug out of the motor from the vacuum pump. And I have to clean all this mess up, go make a parts list, and a decision whether they want to fix it or not. Alright, it is Friday. We are back here at the Featherhawk garage working on the Equinox some more. As you can see, I've got the cam turned around to the laser mark is on top, which means the tang on the reluctor ring should be straight up, and it isn't. As you can see, it's way over here on the side. So that's how far out the computer thinks the timing is. See it from this direction too. It's way over here, and it should be dead center top right there. So this little fella is going to have a new exhaust camshaft, and the imploded vacuum pump is going to be replaced. Get all that back together and should be ready to go. All right, well, we're going to put a price together for these folks and see what we can do. It is Tuesday, February 20th. Decided I was going to make me a little bit of breakfast before I did anything. Throw some sausage and some eggs together. Heat up some tortillas, put them all together, and that's about it. Turn the burner off, because those are going to get hot quick. There's one. Please don't use your fingers like I do, you'll get burnt. Alright, just fold those over, eat them up. Alright, it is still Tuesday. And for those that didn't know, my name is Scott Featherston. Featherhawk Racing Channel is owned by Featherhawk Enterprises, and I'm a partner in Featherhawk Enterprises. Just for information, went down and picked up some inventory at the mailbox a while ago. Went by the shop. Nothing going on there. I'm waiting on parts for the Equinox. Dropped off a TV there just to get it out of the house. So I'm fixing to take this mail into Charlene.
That's my lunch.
Okay. It's a good lunch. Alright, I think I'm gonna get me a cup of coffee, go sit in the backyard, play with the dogs, relax for just a minute. Alright. I'm an old person, so this is one of my favorite things. Sitting around. There's Otis. I bet you Otis wants to play. I'm gonna drink this coffee first. This is Otis's favorite toy. I almost hit the fire pit. Well, I was cooking breakfast a while ago. Remind me of a friend of mine. His name is Jimmy Dale. And I figured, well, he cooks on his channel all the time, so if it's good enough for Jimmy Dale, it's good enough for me. He's always saying that. He had a pretty bad injury when he was in Florida a few weeks back. Hope he's feeling better and everything. If y'all get a chance, go to jimmydaleRacing.com for his merch, or Jimmy Dale Racing on his YouTube channel. He's a lot of fun. Well, I guess we'll get in here and see if we can get some work done. All right, still Tuesday, February 20th. It's about 6:20 p.m. We have all of this new inventory that we're gonna take out to the shop. Get that unloaded, but we got a few minutes extra time, and we'll get back with you in a minute. Got the Equinox pushed back, waiting for the parts on it. So we can get back to it and get it put all back together. So I'm gonna run out here and start unloading these boxes, and I'll talk at y'all later. Okay, got everything unloaded, back at the house. I'm in my office. It's a total disaster also. Seems like every time we renovate something, all the junk gets moved in here. As you can see, junk. But a work in progress, We're gonna call it a day, and stay tuned for more stuff tomorrow, whatever we get into. All right, y'all have a good night.